Hello, fellow YouTubians. I have a fantastic method for you for calculating what your yearly pay is going to be, your yearly pay, based upon the information you get for the hourly pay. Like if you go to a job interview and you are told that you're going to be paid $22 an hour, and you want to know how much that is going to be in a year, like if it was a salary. Very simple method for estimation, and it's actually going to give you an answer that's a little bit less than the actual one, but it is fairly accurate. All you have to do for this is you take the amount that they're saying they're going to pay you, $22 an hour, and you multiply it by 2, so that's going to give you 44, and now you put a comma here and 3 zeros, and that is it for the estimation. It's $44,000 a year. To do one more here, $18, assuming they were offering to pay you $18 an hour, you simply double that, so that's going to give you 36. And you add 3 zeros, so that would be $36,000 a year. And this video would be amazingly short if I just stopped there, so I'm going to go ahead and bring up my trusty calculator real quick just to show you how accurate this is. At $22 an hour, we have 22 times 40 hours a week times 52 weeks in a year, and that gives you 45,760, which is fairly close. For $18 a year, we have 18 times 40 hours a week times 52 weeks in a year for 37,440. Fairly close, not exact obviously. Now let me show you how you can get even closer. Let's go down here. Closer! Hey, check that out. I even thought to write that out up there. I forgot about that. Before I get to the calculator, let's show you the method. For values between $10 and $24 an hour, you do your multiplication, and then you add 1 to it, and then you add the zeros. For $25 to $27 an hour, you do your multiplication, then you add 2. Let me show you an example. We have $14 an hour, which falls under the first category here. $14 an hour, 14 times 2 is 28. And then you add 1, so it's 28 plus 1, that's a horrible plus sign, equals 29, and now you add your 3 zeros. And this method here is actually much more accurate. To show you how accurate it actually is, we have 14 times 40 times 52, and that gives us $29,120. This is only off by $120 for a full year's pay. That is very accurate. Now for the next one, we have $29 an hour, which it's going to be 29 times 2, which is going to give us, brain just went out on me, 58. And now we add 2 to that to get 60. I'm sorry, let me clear this up. We have 29 times 2, which is going to give us 58. Now, because this falls in the second category here, we have to add 2 to that, and that gives us 60. So our estimate for the yearly pay at $29 an hour is $60,000 a year. And to demonstrate how accurate this is, we take 29, we multiply it by 40, and then 52, and that gives us 60,320. Very close to our estimate. Only $320 off. That's less than a 1.1% margin of error. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Now when you go into that job interview and they say that you're going to be paid $15 an hour, you can immediately tell them, that's about $31,000 a year, and you will be spot on. Thank you. More videos are coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this and my previous video on doing tipping. Enjoy your estimation, fellas. Bye-bye.